Hello, what's going on, guys? I want to share with you a little issue that happened to me this morning, actually, when I drove my car. So as usual in the morning, a cold start, I will let the car typically warm up a few minutes and before I start driving. And this problem has happened to me before when I had the fuel injector that went and I had to replace it. So anyways, what happened was I switched on the engine, let the car warm up a couple of minutes, started driving it, and then the minute I put the car into D, obviously the gear into D, it's automatic, the whole engine sounded different, the exhaust sound, just had a different sound, which is obviously wasn't usual. So the first thing I done is I took out my mobile phone, tried to get a small clip for you guys to listen and to see what I mean, so you'll have a better understanding. To me it sounded like a misfire. So what I will do is I'll put in the footage here of the sound of the video I took with my phone. Not too clear, but I hope you'll manage to get it, just for you to understand what happened. So yeah, before I put in, just to say, the car is just coming up to 49,000 miles, so not too high the mileage. Being looked after, being serviced 2.5 months ago, spark plugs changed, so don't think it should be a spark plug, but it might be a coil pack or injector again. So yeah, I'll put in the footage. I'll put in now the footage. So there you go, guys. Thank you. Listen to the sound. Sounds for sure like a misfire. What we're going to do is try and start the engine again. There you go. So now you'll see the engine is back to... Oops. Engine sounds back normal. Anyways, there you go, guys. That's the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos from this car, sharing all my mods and running costs, all information about my car if you're interested. So don't forget to subscribe, like my videos. If you have any questions, just comment and I'll try and reply to your comments. Also, what's funny that this car actually has been by BMW last week to have some bits and pieces done to it. Nothing major, just a little button, steering wheel button, small bits that nothing to do with the engine. And what I did tell them then is to check the car, because I already felt something unusual with the engine. Not major issues, but I thought I might as well get a check then. But yeah, they haven't found anything, so to me that looks like a misfire. But anyways, hopefully nothing major, we'll get that sorted. So yeah, as I said, don't forget to subscribe and take care. Have a good one. See you next time.